In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix an encoding error occurred while recording. So the first thing you want to do is you want to open up OBS, then go ahead and select on the settings option right over here. Then it is going to bring you to a page that looks like this. Go to the left menu and select on output. Then you want to scroll down and you want to select on this section that says recording. Now what you want to do from here is you want to find the option that says encoder. And by default, OBS is typically going to use your hardware encoder. So what you want to do is you want to select on that drop down menu and switch it to software. So software X264 is the one that I'm currently using. And I actually did encounter this problem myself earlier today when I was trying to record. So because I'm recording on OBS right now, the menu isn't loading in. So that's why it's grayed out. So it's only going to work when you don't have your recording on. So you need to stop your recording in order to actually change the encoder settings. So again, keep that in mind just to avoid any type of confusion. And then you want to change the encoder to software and then see if that actually gets the job done. Now, if you did that and things are still not working, then what could be happening is that you have outdated drivers. You want to go ahead and update your graphics drivers. So whether it's NVIDIA, etc., basically the point is you want to make sure that your drivers are up to date as well. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.